welcome back. And today's video is how to make a logo in Canva. So this is tutorial 3. If you haven't checked out tutorial 1 and 2, finish this video and then check it out later. And I'll also post the link in description box below. Okay, you can check out from there. Yeah, if you haven't checked out tutorial 1 and tutorial 2, that's okay. You can watch it first and then watch it then. So before we start it, I'll only give you 5 seconds to smash subscribers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? So yeah. So you might be wondering, what is a logo? A logo. So a logo is like, if you go to McDonald's or Starbucks, like these are restaurant logo, not just restaurant, like Microsoft logo. Yeah, their logo. And today we're making our own simple and easy logo in Canva, which is amazing. Yeah, you can make presentation video, Instagram post, Facebook post, poster, and this is the logo. What are we doing today? And this is poster, flyers, social media, YouTube thumbnail. I also have a video about that. This is Facebook cover. You can also go to social media to find more. Yeah. And Canva have free and pro version. And you can use free items from free version, but you can also buy these items for just $1 or all of them for, I don't know what is that, but you can buy all of them as well. Yeah, so this is pro version. You can use the pro one. Yeah, so before we made it, you need to sign up and log into Canva. Yeah, and if you finish sign up and log into Canva, you will see logo in here, and press it one time. Yep, and we're gonna see like Untitled design here, and these are all the like category we're gonna putting on this blank. So this is templates, already templates. You can also fix from these for like easier time if you didn't have time, or just make your own blank. You can also upload from your file. You can choose these photos. You can also search from here. There's millions of photos, and these are the things you can choose from there. And this is tags. You can add heading tags, or you can choose from these already nice tags. Yeah, and these are sound, and also like this is like if you got a little like a little crown, like which is at pro. This is you need to pay it. And this sound is $3. Ooh. Yeah. So this is free. These are free. And these are videos. Yeah, they are also pro and free in this. So this is background. These are all the backgrounds. You can also use these already backgrounds, or make a color background. Yeah, so these are all the things, and this is pretty easy and simple. If you already checked out tutorial 1 and tutorial 2, you will definitely notice how to use it. Yeah, but this is just for logo. So you can design by yourself. I just want to show you how to use it, so you can definitely know whatever you can make. So first you will definitely need is a background to make a logo. So I will choose from color background, or this. Should I choose? Okay, so I guess I will choose from color background. You can choose from these or any background. Yep, this is also new colors background. Yeah. So you can design in this blank. So then, and don't worry about the size, because this is the perfect logo size from Canva. Everything you can make in Canva is the right size. So I will choose for background this one. You can design by yourself, or this, or this. This is kind of like magenta. Kind of want it this nice. And then we're gonna go to tags. You can make it like, you can text anything like maybe about your name logo. Yeah, you can make a restaurant name logo. Yeah, to make a restaurant maybe. Or like Microsoft or something. Like you can make any logo, any kind of logo. So we'll do, yeah, I'm not making a logo, so just do it. You can design by yourself. You can do better than me. Yeah. I'll just do my name. And this is just something on here. Yeah, that's not. You can also change the text color, and I'll change it. You can press it by changing. This can be pink, or it's not good. White, yeah, white is pretty good. So then let's decorate with some flowers in it, or maybe heart and flowers. Yeah. Ooh. So we're gonna do what is heart? Yeah, let's decorate with some hearts and some like little things. What I think this is like drawing. This is nice. I love it. This is not good. If you want to delete, just do it and delete it. This is nice. Let's make it shrink. This is grow, shrink. You can also do from this, the same, okay? Okay, that's perfect size, I guess. So I'm gonna decorate with some heart, okay? So this is kind of one. You can also change from these, I guess. No, some of them can't change, but some can change. I mean, this balloon is nice. I love it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, so that's good, I guess. And then you can decorate by yourself, okay? You can also decorate just like me. You can change the tags of KPSs. Yeah, that's okay if you decorate or just do by yourself. That's okay. What is that? Oh, okay. Let's do it from here. What should I do? This is, oh, this pink one is nice. I love it. I think this is good size, probably. What is that? This is nice. We're gonna do like heart balloon and 2 heart behind them. This should be a little more like smaller than that. Yeah, that's perfect logo now. Yeah, you can decorate by yourself. If you want to make like a restaurant, you can make like so many food decorating like you can find in here. I made like food. But I'm not making a restaurant. I'm not making anything. These are all of you can use. Like maybe you can decorate with your name and then some food in here. You can add more ideas to this or make it by yourself. And also you can also use these templates for a quicker one. You can find all of them. This is like so many templates. You can also search from here what you want to make, what templates kind of you want to make. Yeah, we finished all, but the thing that we need is to download. Yeah, so Canva is not autosave one. Just remember it because we didn't want it to be not safe. If you like it, just save it and press download. And then you can download for Pro to make it more good quality. So, but I will just download it and press download. Yeah. So this is my design right now. You can also see your design here. Yeah, and you can also see in computer like this thing of your like title, and you can also check in it. It's gonna be in your computer. Yeah, so this is what all that you need to do. This is just amazing. I also make more videos about Canva. You can also check out tutorial 1 and tutorial 2 if you haven't finished. Bye. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you later.